Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Chrome's current state. Check the version and update if needed, because language packs depend on the release. Once done, sign into the correct Google profile so your changes apply predictably. Make sure to back up or enable sync to preserve bookmarks and extensions before you change language settings. This prevents lost data if you need to restart. These initial steps are actionable immediately and set the stage for changing Chrome's display language correctly. Next, open Settings and go to Languages. Add the desired language and then prioritize it by moving it to the top of the list. You must explicitly choose Display Google Chrome in this language if that option appears. Not doing so keeps the old display text. Once you set it, relaunch Chrome when prompted so the language pack and UI strings load. If you use multiple profiles, repeat inside each profile because language is profile scoped. These steps handle the main conversion. To finish, verify the UI is fully translated. Clear cache and relaunch if you still see mixed languages. Also check your operating system language and input methods. Chrome sometimes inherits OS locale preferences, so align those if necessary. If things go wrong, disable extensions or test in an incognito window. Extensions or a corrupted profile can force old text. As a last resort, create a fresh Chrome profile and repeat the language steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.